Royal Enfield Classic 500, the best motorcycle. In a world dominated by ever-evolving technology and rapidly changing motorcycle trends, one machine continues to stand tall as an icon of timeless design and pure motorcycling joy: the Royal Enfield Classic 500. Revered by enthusiasts around the globe, the Classic 500 has earned the title of Best Motorcycle thanks to its unmatched blend of heritage, power, and soulful riding experience. Although Royal Enfield officially discontinued the Classic 500 in 2020, its legacy has only grown stronger. Today, it is celebrated not just as a motorcycle, but as a cultural phenomenon. Riders across continents consider it one of the most characterful and rewarding motorcycles ever produced. Its recognition as the best motorcycle is a tribute to its enduring appeal and passionate community of owners. Powered by a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, the Classic 500 delivers 27.2 brake horsepower and 41.3 Newton-meters of torque. The thump of its engine, unmistakable and deeply satisfying, has become the soundtrack of thousands of journeys. It's not built for speed or tech-laden features, it's built for the sheer joy of riding. The Classic 500 excels in providing a relaxed, old-school cruising experience that modern bikes often miss. Design-wise, the Classic 500 stays true to its post-war British motorcycle inspiration. It features a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, vintage-style fenders, and a sprung single seat that harks back to the golden era of motorcycling. Every detail, from the spoked wheels to the iconic round headlamp, contributes to its authentic retro look. What made the Classic 500 special, then and now, is its ability to connect the rider with the road and the machine. Unlike many newer bikes packed with electronics, the Classic 500 is mechanical, tactile, and raw. This simplicity has made it a favorite among purists who seek a deeper, more visceral riding experience. Despite its discontinuation, demand for the Classic 500 remains high in the pre-owned market. It has become a collector's item, especially models like the Classic 500 Pegasus and Chrome editions. Enthusiasts still organize Classic 500-only rides and gatherings, keeping its spirit alive and thriving. Royal Enfield's build quality and vast service network also played a crucial role in the bike's success. Owners frequently praise its durability and ease of maintenance. Even after years of use, a well-maintained Classic 500 retains its charm and performance, making it a long-term companion for many riders. In an age where motorcycles often prioritize technology over soul, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 stands apart. It reminds us that riding is not just about speed, but about emotion, connection, and timeless style. The title of Best Motorcycle is not just a technical accolade for the Classic 500, it is a heartfelt acknowledgement from riders around the world who continue to cherish every moment spent on this iconic machine. As the legend lives on, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 remains the ultimate symbol of pure motorcycling.